topic is stored program control. In short, SPC, it is the concept of electronics that ringed in a change in telecommunication. It permits the features like abbreviated dialing, call forwarding, call waiting, etc. The stored program control concept is where a program or a set of instructions to the computer is stored in its memory, and the instructions are executed automatically one by the processor. As the exchange control functions are carried out through programs stored in the memory of a computer, it is called the stored program control or SPC. The following figure shows the basic control structure of an SPC telephony exchange. The processor used by SPC are designed based on requirements of the exchange. The processors are duplicated, and using more than one processor makes the process reliable. A separate processor is used for the maintenance of the switching system. There are two types of SPC, that is centralized SPC and distributed SPC. Centralized SPC further is having some other three materials, that is the architecture is divided in three parts, that is standby mode, synchronous duplex mode and load sharing mode. Thank you for listening.